Alrighty, we got this is Mr. SKS Kill. We got, yes, that is right, a PlayStation 3. It is time that we took our lives back from video games. This is actually my buddy's. He isn't here today, but he did say it'd be okay to blow up, I think. We got a Star Target from Cabela's. And blow it up. About 100 yards out. AR iron sights. Put it behind this 2-pane glass. It was a skylight, somebody's house. So yeah. Hopefully it doesn't blow my camera up. Like you see, we're pretty close. But I really want to see what it does, and I don't really want to get this close. So. Alrighty, I'm gonna stop talking and do this. Alright, I'll be right back. Where'd the PlayStation go? Oh my gosh. Hey, when do you come over here? Hurry. Come hold this PlayStation up.
Oh, it's gonna be hot.
It's gonna be hot.
I smell gas.
Yeah, I tagged the gas with the first round, so there was no fire. But yeah.
That's
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. No more hard drives.
Now I just gotta watch it. Yeah, AR. Essential arms, good stuff.
Barely hit that.
Where'd you hit it?
Where'd it hit it?
Skim the bottom?
Yeah, you skimmed the bottle.
Nice. We might be able to get some more out of it. Alright, good stuff, y'all. It didn't do anything. Damn, that's what it did to the chalk. Didn't even... Yeah, we gotta figure something out with the chalk.
2.5.